We will recite the first one, whatever we learnt. So one more round of practice, you will have it. Okay? Prathamodhyayah. Om Pratamachaритрasya Brahma Rishihi Mahakali Devata Gayatri Chandaha Nanda Shaktihi Raktadantika Bijam Agnistatvam Rigvedasvarupam Sri Mahakali Prityarte Pratamacharitra Jape Viniyogaha. Om Dhyanam. Om Khadgam Chakragadeshu Chapa Paridhan Chulam Bhushundim Shiraha Shankam Sandadatim Karaistrinayanam Sarvanga Bhushavritam Neelashmadvyutimasya Padadashakam Seve Mahakalikam Yamastau Swapite Harau Kamalajo Hantum Madhum Kaikabham. Om Namaschandikaye. Om Aim Markandeya Vacha Savarne Suryatanayo Yo Manukatyateshtamaha Nishamayatadutpattim Vistarad Gadato Mama Mahamayanubhavena Yatha Manvantaraadipaha Sababhuva Mahabhagas Savarnistanayorave Swarochishendare Purvam Chaitravamsha Samudbhavaha Surato Nama Raja Bhut Samaste Kshiti Mandale Tasya Palayatas Samyak Praja Putrani Vaurasan Bhaguvo Shatravo Bhuva Kola Vidvamsinastata Tasya Taira Bhavadyuddhamati Prabaladanvinaha Nyunairapi Satairyuddhe Kola Vidvamsibhirjitaha Tatasvapuramayato Nijadeshadipo Bhavad Akrantassa Mahabhagas Taistada Prabalaribihi Amatyair Balibhirdushtai Durbalasya Duratmabihi Kosho Bhalam Chapahridam Tatrapi Svapure Tataha Tato Mrgaya Vyajena Hrutasvamyassa Bhupatihi Ekaki Hayamaruhya Jagamagahanam Vanam. Okay. You had a doubt?
I made a mistake in that.
No problem. No problem. Next one. Satatrashrama madrakshit.
Satatrashrama madrakshit. Satatrashrama madrakshit.
Madrakshit, not ma. Madrakshit. There is a difference, huh? Okay. Satatrashrama madrakshit.
Satatrashrama madrakshit. Satatrashrama madrakshit.
Dvijavaryasya medhasaha.
Dvijavaryasya medhasaha. Dvijavaryasya medhasaha.
Satatrashrama madrakshit. Dvijavaryasya medhasaha.
Satatrashrama madrakshit. द्विजवर्यस्य मेधसः सहस्राश्रममद्राक्षी द्विजवर्यस्य मेधसः
प्रशान्तश्वापदाकीर्णम्
प्रशान्तश्वापदाकीर्णम् प्रशान्तश्वापदाकीर्णम्
मुनिशिष्योपशोभितम्
मुनिशिष्योपशोभितम् मुनिशिष्योपशोभितम्
प्रशान्तश्वापदाकीर्णम् मुनिशिष्योपशोभितम्
प्रशान्तश्वापदाकीर्णम् मुनिशिष्योपशोभितम् प्रशान्तश्वापदाकीर्णम् मुनिशिष्योपशोभितम्
स तत्राश्रममद्राक्षीत् द्विजवर्यस्य मेधसः प्रशान्तश्वापदाकीर्णम् मुनिशिष्योपशोभितम्
स तत्राश्रममद्राक्षी द्विजवर्यस्य मेधसः प्रशान्तश्वापदाकीर्णम् मुनिशिष्योपशोभितम् स तत्राश्रममद्राक्षी द्विजवर्यस्य मेधसः प्रशान्तश्वापदाकीर्णम् मुनिशिष्योपशोभितम्.
So we saw up to the king riding on a horse alone in the pretext of hunting animals. In the pretext of hunting, he goes into the dense forest. There, Satatra Shravamadrakshi, there he came upon a hermitage, ashram. He came upon an ashram which belonged to Dvijavaryasya Medasa. This ashram belonged to Medas. Dvijavaryasya. He is excellent among Brahmins. Dvija means Brahmins. Dvijavaryasya is Varya means excellent. Dvijavaryasya. So excellent among Brahmins. So his ashramam, he came upon that ashramam. Prashanta Shvabhada Kirnam Muni Shishyopa. He was actually welcomed, honored by the sage as well as along with his disciples. Muni Shishyopa Shobhitam. He was welcomed honored by, because the king is coming, no? So he was welcomed by the sage as well as his disciple. Prashanta Shvabhada Kirnam. This is a beautiful sentence, like beautiful term here. Prashanta means tranquil, quiet, calm. It is a retreat. How a retreat will be in a dense forest. One hermitage, just imagine that one hermitage is there. Sattvic people are residing in that ashram. They are not going to punish somebody. When the atmosphere is like that, Vahapada, even the Vapha means grazing. Even the beasts which are otherwise enemies, they are grazing together. Prashanta Vapadakir. That kind of a tranquility is there in that place. In that ashram. The ashram, the surroundings, everything looks so calm and tranquil. It is a retreat where even the animals, the beasts, all are so together grazing there. So you understand the situation, how it is beautiful, and what is the mindset of our king here. Tastau kanchit sakalam cha.
Tastau kanchit sakalam cha. Tastau kanchit sakalam cha.
Munina tena satkrutaha.
Munina tena satkrutaha. Munina tena satkrutaha.
Tastau kanchit sakalam cha. Munina tena satkrutaha.
Tastau kanchit मुनिना तेन सत्कृतः तस्थौ कञ्चित् सकालम् च मुनिना तेन सत्कृतः
इतश्चेतश्च विचरंस्
इतश्चेतश्च विचरम्
तस्मिन् मुनिवराश्रमे
तस्मिन् मुनिवराश्रमे
इतश्चेतश्च विचरंस् तस्मिन् मुनिवराश्रमे
इतश्चेतश्च विचरन् तस्मिन् मुनिवराश्रमे इतश्चेतश्च विचरन् तस्मिन् मुनिवराश्रमे
तस्थौ कञ्चित् सकालं च मुनिना तेन सत्कृतः इतश्चेतंश्च विचरंस् तस्मिन् मुनिवराश्रमे
तस्थौ कञ्चित् सकालम् च मुनिना तेन सत्कृतः इतश्चेतश्च विचरन् तस्मिन् मुनिवराश्रमे तस्थौ कञ्चित् सकालम् च मुनिना तेन सत्कृतः इतश्चेतश्च विचरन् तस्मिन् मुनिवराश्रमे.
Because he was treated well by the Satkritah, he was treated, honored very well by the Munina, by the sage and his disciples. He was welcomed and treated very well because by the sage in the ashram. He stayed there, tasthau, there, kanchitsa kalamcha. For some time he stayed there only. For some time. But what he did? Itaschetamsya vicharam. Charam means charathi is wandering. Charathi means wandering. From here to there, you keep wandering. That only denotes the restless mind. See the surrounding. See his restless mind. The surrounding is a peaceful surrounding. Prashanta Swapada Girma. Peaceful surrounding. Very calm, quiet, tranquil. But he is so disturbed. He keeps wandering from here to there. Tasmin Munivar Ashram. In that ashram, he was walking up and down, wandering here and there. He didn't know because he was feeling so restless. What is making him restless is the next one. What his thoughts are. When your thoughts are so disturbed, mind is disturbed, your physical, it reflects in your physical appearance. The mind is restless, the body also becomes restless. Some people you can see they'll be holding a pen, moving it. With the restless one, the mind is not focusing there. It is like, they will open, close, or do the keys like that. I remember my daughter takes to her class all the toys meant for, now that with a mobile phone, they are always used to clicking things, no? So in the class they should not use mobile. So she takes all this, like small kids, they are all doing masters there. Like for small kids, she takes some toys where they can keep meddling with that while they are watching, while they are listening to her. Mind has become so restless. Where you are supposed to focus also, you are not able to focus. So this is the mindset he has got. It is reflected physically that he is wandering here and there. That is what is the next line. So chintayat tada tatra.
So chintayat tada tatra. So chintayat tada tatra.
Mamatva krishta chetanaha.
Mamatva krishta chetanaha. Mamatva krishta chetanaha.
Mamatva krishta manasaka somebody has got. It is okay. Don't change it. Mamatva krishta chetanaha also is the same. Manasaka also same. Don't change it. When you are reciting it alone, there is no pada bedam is there. Manasaka is also okay. Because the mind is only restless. Mamatva krishta manasa. Okay. सोचिन्तयत्तदा तत्र ममत्वाकृष्टचेतनः
सोचिन्तयत्तदा तत्र ममत्वाकृष्टचेतनः सोचिन्तयत्तदा तत्र ममत्वाकृष्टचेतनः
मत्पूर्वैः पालितं पूर्वम्
मत्पूर्वैः पालितं पूर्वम् मत्पूर्वैः पालितं पूर्वम्
मया हीनं पुरं हि तत्
मया हीनं पुरं हि तत् मया हीनं पुरं हि तत्
मत्पूर्वैः पालितं पूर्वं मया हीनं पुरं हि तत्
मत्पूर्वैः पालितं पूर्वं मया हीनं पुरं हि तत् मत्पूर्वैः पालितं पूर्वं मया हीनं पुरं हि तत्
सोचिन्तयत्तदा तत्र ममत्वाकृष्टचेतनः मत्पूर्वैः पालितं पूर्वं मया हीनं पुरं हि तत्
सोचिन्तयत्तदा तत्र ममत्वाकृष्टचेतनः मत्पूर्वैः पालितं पूर्वं मया हीनं पुरं हि तत् सोचिन्तयत्तदा तत्र ममत्वाकृष्टचेतनः मत्पूर्वैः पालितं पूर्वं मया हीनं पुरं हि तत्
ममत्वाकृष्टचेतनः self-centered thoughts and concerns. Because as I told you, the world we look at is only from our perspective. We are the root, and from there you view everything. Everything is related to us. Mamatva. This world is like how we look at it. So this kind of self-centered thoughts are holding a grip. It is like, his mind. Mamatva Krishna Chetanaha is the thoughts, self-centered thoughts are holding his mind. And so Chintayata, that is the reason he started thinking, reflecting. Mat Purvaif Palitham Purvam. Before me, my ancestors, the capital, Matpurvai Palitham Pur. Matpurvai means Matpurvaihi, plural, my ancestors who governed before me, my Puram is the capital, okay? Maya Hinam, I left behind. The capital that was ruled by my ancestors before me, I have left behind. I have, like, you just walked away from that. What your ancestors have been ruling before him, they were taking care of, they were governing that capital, they were governing that province that I have left behind now, and I have come here. That is first thing, that is his thoughts are the capital Matpurvai, my ancestors. Just imagine what kind of a thing, how he is looking at as a king's perspective. Okay. Next line. Madbhrutyaistaira sadvruttair. Madbhrutyaistaira sadvruttair. Dharmadah palyate nava.
Dharmadah palyate nava. Dharmadah palyate nava.
Madbhrutyaistairasad-vruttair dharmadah palyate nava.
Madbhrutyaistairasad-vruttair dharmadah palyate nava. Madbhrutyaistairasad-vruttair dharmadah palyate nava.
न जाने स प्रधानो मे
न जाने स प्रधानो मे न जाने स प्रधानो मे
शूरहस्ति सदा मदः
शूरहस्ति सदा मदः शूरहस्ति सदा मदः
न जाने स प्रधानो मे शूरहस्ति सदा मदः
न जाने स प्रधानो मे शूरहस्ति सदा मदः न जाने स प्रधानो मे शूरहस्ति सदा मदः
मद्भृत्यैस्तैरसद्वृद्धैर्धर्मदः पाल्यते नवा न जाने स प्रधानो मे शूरहस्ति सदा मदः
मद्भृत्यैस्तैरसद्वृत्तैर्धर्मदः पाल्यते नवा न जाने स प्रधानो मे शूरहस्ति सदा मदः मद्भृत्यैस्तैरसद्वृत्तैर्धर्मदः पाल्यते नवा न जाने स प्रधानो मे शूरहस्ति सदा मदः
Madbhrutyai. Bhrutyai means servants. Bhrutya is servants. Bhrutyai is plural. Madbhrutyai means my servants who were serving me there, but asadvrutyai. Madbhrutyai, they were not good servants. They were with evil servants, evil mind, evil minds. Asadvrutyai. Asadvrutyai is following evil practices. My servants who were following evil practices, how they will be, do things according to dharma. Dharmadah palyate nama. Whether they will be holding on to dharma or they are doing only adharmic work. I don't know whether my servants who were like doing evil practices at that time, they are governing according to dharma or not. That first. Next, his country, his thinking about this is all his thought process. The next thought is a very, what to say, like, we can call it a privileged thought, being the king. Na jane sa pradhano me shurahasti sada madah. I don't know what happened to my elephant. Every king will have an elephant, no? Special elephant, that is only on that he will travel. I don't know what Shurahasti she is. Shurahasti, very valorous. Sada Madaha, ever furious, nobody can go near that. Sada Madaha. I don't know, na jane. I don't know what happened to that elephant. Now what happened? Next one we will see that, okay? Mama vairivasham yadha.
Mama vairivasham yadha. Mama vairivasham yadha.
Kan bhoganupalapsyate.
Kan bhoganupalapsyate. Kan bhoganupalapsyate.
Mama vairivasham yadha. Kan bhoganupalapsyate.
Mama vairivasham yadha. Kan bhoganupalapsyate. Mama vairivasham yadha. Kan bhoganupalapsyate.
Ye mamanugada nityam.
Ye mamanugata nityam. Ye mamanugata nityam.
प्रसादधनभोजनैः
प्रसादघनभोजनैः प्रसादघनभोजनैः
ये ममानुगता नित्यं प्रसादधनभोजनैः
ये ममानुगता नित्यं प्रसादघनभोजनैः ये ममानुगता नित्यं प्रसादघनभोजनैः
मम वैरिवशं याथ खान् भोगानुपलप्स्यते ये ममानुगता नित्यं प्रसादधनभोजनैः
मम वैरिवशं यातः कान् भोगानुपलप्स्यते ये ममानुगता नित्यं प्रसादघनभोजनैः मम वैरिवशं यातः कान् भोगानुपलप्स्यते ये ममानुगता नित्यं प्रसादघनभोजनैः.
The elephant which was precious to me, now it is in the hands of my enemies. Mama Vairi, Vairi means enemies. My enemies Vasham in their hands. Khan Bhogan. What comforts? Upalapyati. Upalapyati means enjoying it. What comforts it will be enjoying now. Because it was my elephant, it will not be treated in the same way I treated it once, because it is now in the hands of my enemies. I don't know what happened to that. Whether it will enjoy the same comforts which it used to enjoy. Just imagine how thoughts are from his country straight to the elephant. In between the prajas he forgot totally. Totally he forgot about his citizens. He thought first about his country, how it happened and how he left it behind. And next thought is only his elephant. Possessions, no? His possessions he is thinking. That is what. Ye mama anugatha. Anugatha means sycophants, followers, who keeps around you, always praising you. All my followers. Nityam prasada dhana bhojaya. So these sycophants were praising me every day, nityam, ever. For what? Some favor, prasada dhana bhojana, for food, some gift, wealth, money, they were. Now he is wondering what happened to them, what they will be doing. Those days they were praising me to get all these things, prasada dhana bhojana, to get everything freebies from the king. Now what they will be doing. That is what is. Next thought. Anuvrittim dhruvam tedhya.
Anuvrittim dhruvam tedhya. Anuvrittim dhruvam tedhya.
Kurvantyanyamahi bhrudham.
Kurvantyanyamahi bhrudham. Kurvantyanyamahi bhrudham.
Anuvrittim dhruvam tedhya. Kurvantyanyamahi bhrudham.
Anuvrittim dhruvam tedhya. Kurvantyanyamahi bhrudham. Anuvrittim dhruvam tedhya. Kurvantyanyamahi bhrudham.
Next word, asamyak vyaya shilaistai. Asamyak, take a break, mark it like asamyak vyaya shilaistai. Okay? Marked it, no? Shilaistai. Okay? Got it? Marked it, no? Asamyak vyaya shilaistai.
Asamyak vyayashilaistai. Asamyak vyayashilaistai.
Kurvadbih satatham vyayam.
कुर्वद्भिः सततं व्ययम् कुर्वद्भिः सततं व्ययम्
असम्यक् व्ययशीलैस्तैः कुर्वद्भिः सततं व्ययम्
असम्यक् व्ययशीलैस्तैः कुर्वद्भिः सततं व्ययम् असम्यक् व्ययशीलैस्तैः कुर्वद्भिः सततं व्ययम्
अनुवृत्तिं ध्रुवं तेद्य कुर्वन्त्यन्यमहीभृताम् असम्यक् व्ययशीलैस्तैः कुर्वद्भिः सततं व्ययम्
अनुवृत्तिं ध्रुवं तेद्य कुर्वन्त्यन्यमहीभृताम् असम्यक् व्ययशीलैस्तैः कुर्वद्भिः सततं व्ययम् अनुवृत्तिं ध्रुवं तेद्य कुर्वन्त्यन्यमहीभृताम् असम्यक् व्ययशीलैस्तैः कुर्वद्भिः सततं व्ययम्
Asamyak anuvrittim dhruvam te. Now those sycophants who were praising me for all the freeways, now for certainly will be doing the same thing with my enemies. Because their aim is not like praising you or being with you. Their aim is only to getting all the freebies. That is anuvrittim dhruvam. Anuvritti means they will be polite, courteous. Anuvrittim, now they will be polite. Dhruvam, he is very sure about that. Surely they will be very polite and courteous to my enemies now. Because I know them, their evil mind, evil practices is led to them. Asamyak vyayashilaistai. Vyayam is called extravagance because what he feels, I mean this line and the next line is actually together. Sanchita soti dukhena kshayam kosham kamishti. This asamyak, they will be improperly, wrongly spending, extravagantly spending the wealth that I have amassed laboriously. I struggled and I amassed this wealth for the country. The kosham means the treasury. I amassed this wealth. I laboriously worked. Kurvadbhi. I worked, amassed this wealth which they will be spending extravagantly. Extravagantly they will be spending, these people will be my followers. I mean, he's meaning only his ministers who threw him out. So those people will be, they were once his servants, so he means everybody as his servants. Those people will be wrongly misusing the wealth that I have stored laboriously. That is what it is. Sanchita soti dukkhena.
Sanchita soti dukkhena. Sanchita soti dukkhena.
Kshayam kosho gamishyati.
Kshayam kosho gamishyati. Kshayam kosho gamishyati.
Sanchita soti dukkhena. Kshayam kosho gamishyati.
Sanchita soti dukkhena. Kshayam kosho gamishyati. Sanchita soti dukkhena. Kshayam kosho gamishyati.
Etacchanyaccha satatham.
Etacchanyaccha satatam. Etacchanyaccha satatam.
Chintayamasa parthivaha.
Chintayamasa parthivaha. Chintayamasa parthivaha.
Etacchanyaccha satatham. Chintayamasa parthivaha.
Etacchanyaccha
Sanchita soti dukkhena kshayam kosho gamishyati yetachanyaccha satatam sinchintayamasa parthivaha.
Sanchitasoti dukkhena kshayam kosho gamishyati etachanyaccha satatam chintayamasa parthivaha. Sanchitasoti dukkhena kshayam kosho gamishyati etachanyaccha satatam chintayamasa parthivaha.
Their extravagance of my wealth that I laboriously amassed in the treasury, it will deplete. Sanchita, whatever I have accumulated. Soti dukkhena, is very sad about that. Kshayam means it is going to deplete. Kshayam kosho, my treasury, gamishati, my treasury will get now depleted because of their extravagance. I amassed this wealth in the treasury laboriously. I worked hard towards it. Now because of their extravagance, this will deplete. This will get depleted. So when yetacha yacha satatam, then anya yetacha anyacha satatam. This and some other thoughts also. It is not only these three thoughts they have, whatever they have enumerated here, other thoughts also. When he was thinking or pondering it, chintayamasa parthiva is the king. When the king was pondering over all these and other thoughts, it is a comma, not a full stop. What happens when he was thinking about all these things, like about his the capital that he has left behind, his elephant, and the treasury that is going to get depleted because of their wrongdoings of the servants, extravagance of the servants. These thoughts and other thoughts, anyacha, they are very clear. We have only enumerated what was his primary thoughts, and there were also other thoughts were coming one by one. All these things, when he was thinking like that, what happens? Tatra viprashramabhyashe,
Tatra viprashramabhyashe, Tatra viprashramabhyashe,
Vaishyamekam dadarshasah,
Vaishyamekam dadarshasah, Vaishyamekam dadarshasah,
Tatra viprashramabhyashe, Vaishyamekam dadarshasah.
Tatra viprashramabhyashe, Vaishyamekam dadarshasah, Tatra viprashramabhyashe, Vaishyamekam dadarshasah.
Saprushtasthena kastvam bho,
Saprushtasthena kastvam bho, Saprushtasthena kastvam bho,
hetuschagamanetrakaha,
Hetuschagamanetrakaha, Hetuschagamanetrakaha.
saprushtasthena kastvam bho, hetuschagamanetrakaha.
Saprushtasthena kastvam bho, hetuschagamanetrakaha. Saprushtasthena kastvam bho, hetuschagamanetrakaha.
I will do the next line also because his questioning will be complete, okay? Sashoka iva kasmatvam,
Sashoka iva kasmatam, Sashoka iva kasmatam,
durmana iva lakshyase,
Durmana iva lakshyase, Durmana iva lakshyase,
Sashoka iva kasmatvam, durmana iva lakshase.
सशोक इव कस्मात्त्वं दुर्मना इव लक्ष्यसे सशोक इव कस्मात्त्वं दुर्मना इव लक्ष्यसे
तत्र विप्राश्रमाभ्यासे वैश्यमेघं ददर्श सः सपृष्टस्तेन कस्त्वं भो हेतुश्चागमनेत्रकः सशोक इव कस्मात्त्वं दुर्मना इव लक्ष्यसे
तत्र विप्राश्रमाभ्यासे वैश्यमेकं ददर्श सः सपृष्टस्तेन कस्त्वं भो हेतुश्चागमनेत्रकः सशोक इव कस्मात्त्वं दुर्मना इव लक्ष्यसे तत्र विप्राश्रमाभ्यासे वैश्यमेकं ददर्श सः सपृष्टस्तेन कस्त्वं भो हेतुश्चागमनेत्रकः सशोक इव कस्मात्त्वं दुर्मना इव लक्ष्यसे.
That time when he was thinking about his problems there, he saw someone approaching the hermitage. Ashtat Viprashrama-bhyas, approaching the hermitage of the Rishi. Vaishyamegham, one merchant approaching he saw. Tadarsha means he caught sight of someone approaching, a merchant approaching. Very clearly it is mentioned here, one merchant alone approaching the hermitage. Then he asked him, Kastvambhu, who are you? Hetuscha agamanetraka. Agamanetra, what brings you? Hetuscha, what brings you here? Agamanetra, why you came here? What brings you here? Okay, who are you? What he prishtastena means is questioning him. What brings you here? Who are you and what brings you here? Sashoka iva kasmat tvam durmana iva lakshase. Why kasmat? Why you look so durmana? Dukkha, saso, shokam. You look very sorrowful. Lakshase means you look very sorrowful and dejected. Durmana. Durmana means being dejected. You look sorrowful and dejected. Who are you and what brings you here? This is the question. King is asking the merchant who is approaching the hermitage.
इत्याकर्ण्यवचस्तस्य
भूपतेः प्रणयोदितम् इत्याकर्ण्यवचस्तस्य भूपतेः प्रणयोदितम् प्रत्युवाच स तं वैश्य प्रश्रयावनतो नृपम् प्रत्युवाच स तं वैश्यः प्रश्रयावनतो नृपम्
प्रत्युवाच सतं वैश्यः प्रश्रयावनतो नृपम्
इत्याकर्ण्यवचस्तस्य भूपतेः प्रणयोदितम् प्रत्युवाच सतं वैश्यः प्रश्रयावनतो नृपम्
इत्याकर्ण्यवचस्तस्य भूपतेः प्रणयोदितम् प्रत्युवाच सतं वैश्यः प्रश्रयावनतो नृपम् इत्याकर्ण्यवचस्तस्य भूपतेः प्रणयोदितम् प्रत्युवाच सतं वैश्यः प्रश्रयावनतो नृपम्.
The first reaction from the merchant, he was little shocked, looks like. Because the king, he knows that the king, normally these merchants cannot go and meet the king. The king is waiting and asking him questions, why you came here and what is happening. So he was little taken aback, looks like. Ityakarnya. When he heard Vachastasya Bhupatehi, the king's questions, king's words, when he heard, first he was little shaken. Pranayodhitam. First he pays respect to the king. Pranayodhitam. Pratyuvacha satam vaishya. Then after bowing respectfully to the king, Prashraya vanaton. Then he started answering Prashraya, the questions of Nrupam means the king again. Bhupate is also king. Nrupam also means king. So the Vaishya started replying the questions king asked. So he respectfully first he bows. He heard the questions. He respectfully bows to him as he is the king. And then he started answering his questions. I'll switch off this. It is getting cold for me here. Yes, it is straight. Now it is Vaishya who is talking now. His answer now. Okay, who he is. Now we will also come to know who he is. Vaishyo vacha.
Vaishyo vacha. Vaishyo vacha.
Samadharnama Vaishyoham.
Samadharnama Vaishyoham. Samadharnama Vaishyoham.
Utpanno dhaninam kule.
Utpanno dhaninam kule. Utpanno dhaninam kule.
Samadharnama Vaishyoham utpanno dhaninam kule.
Samadharnama Vaishyoham utpanno dhaninam kule.
Learn to join it together when you are learning, because this habit will never ever go when you start reciting. Okay? Learn it together. Listen carefully how you take a pause before that. Okay? Samadharnama Vaishyoham utpanno dhaninam kule.
Samadharnama Vaishyoham utpanno dhaninam kule. Samadharnama Vaishyoham utpanno dhaninam kule.
Putradharairnirastascha.
Putradharairnirastascha. Putradharairnirastascha.
Dhanalobhadasadhubihi.
Dhanalobhadasadhubihi. Dhanalobhadasadhubihi.
Putradharairnirastascha. Dhanalobhadasadhubihi.
Putradharairnirastascha. Dhanalobhadasadhubihi. Putradharairnirastascha. Dhanalobhadasadhubihi.
Samadharnama Vaishyoham utpanno dhaninam kule putradairairnirastascha dhanalobhada sadhubihi
समाधिर्नाम वैश्योऽहमुत्पन्नो धनिनां कुले पुत्रदारैर्निरस्तश्च धनलोभादसाधुभिः समाधिर्नाम वैश्योऽहमुत्पन्नो धनिनां कुले पुत्रदारैर्निरस्तश्च धनलोभादसाधुभिः.
He introduces himself, Samadhir Nama Vaishyoham. My name is Samadhi and Vaishya. I am a merchant. Utpanno Dhaninam Kula. I was born into a wealthy family. I was born in a wealthy family. My name is Samadhi, who is a merchant born in a wealthy family. Dhaninam Kule. Kule means his family is a wealthy family. Putra dharair nirastascha dhanalobhada sadhubihi. Even we keep hearing this even now. For the sake of wealth, people are ready to kill their own parents or siblings, the fight. We all hear about it. Just imagine it was happening in the second Manvantara only. No. We are in the 7th Manvantara. Okay, so many lakhs of years have passed by. No? Then also it was there. Greediness. Dhana lobha. Greedy about money. Putra dharain. Both my children, dharai is wife. My children and my wife, nirastascha. They just expelled me from the house, cast me out of the house. Why? Dhana lobha. Why? Asadhu. Dhana lobha asadhubihi. Actually that is split like that. Dhana lobha the sadhubihi. When we recite it, Dhana lobha the sadhubihi. Actually it is Dhana lobha asadhubihi. They became wicked and greedy about my money. My putra, my children and my wife became wicked. Asadhubihi became wicked. Dhana lobhat and greedy about my lobha. Lobha means you all greedy. So dhana lobhat, their greediness, they cast me out of the house. They chased me out of the house. Putra dhare nirastascha dhana lobhada sadhubihi. Sad, no? Vihinascha dhanaidarai.
विहीनश्च धनैर्दारै विहीनश्च धनैर्दारै
पुत्रैरादाय मे धनम्
पुत्रैरादाय मे धनम् पुत्रैरादाय मे धनम्
विहीनश्च धनैर्दारै पुत्रैरादाय मे धनम्
विहीनश्च धनैर्दारै पुत्रैरादाय मे धनम् विहीनश्च धनैर्दारै पुत्रैरादाय मे धनम्
वनमभ्यागतो दुःखी
वनमभ्यागतो दुःखी
निरस्तश्चाप्तबन्धुभिः वनमभ्यागतो दुःखी निरस्तश्चाप्तबन्धुभिः
वनमभ्यागतो दुःखी निरस्तश्चाप्तबन्धुभिः वनमभ्यागतो दुःखी निरस्तश्चाप्तबन्धुभिः
विहीनश्च धनैर्दारैः पुत्रैरादाय मे धनम् वनमभ्यागतो दुःखी निरस्तश्चाप्तबन्धुभिः
विहीनश्च धनैर्दारैः पुत्रैरादाय धनम् वनमव्यागतो
वनमभ्यागतो दुःखी
निरस्तश्चाप्तबन्धुभिः विहीनश्च धनैर्दारैः पुत्रैरादाय मे धनम् वनमभ्यागतो दुःखी निरस्तश्चाप्तबन्धुभिः.
So he is now enlisting whatever he has lost. Vihinascha, I am now the destitute of dhana, wealth. Dharai, my wife is gone. Putrair, my children. What happened? Having taken all my wealth, taken adhaya, having taken from me all these things. Now I have arrived in the forest, distressed. Vanam agato dukkhi. I have come to the forest with so much of sorrow in my mind. I have been destitute. So distressed I have come here. Why I am distressed? Because I was cast out by Apta Bandhubihi. I have been cast out by my trusted kins. I trusted my wife. I trusted my children. And because they cast me out, I have come to the forest distressed. This is what it is. We will finish up to the next 2 lines because the next we will continue next class, okay? Soham, no, I think 4 lines are there, no? It's okay? Okay, no? 4 lines we will finish it, okay? Because his version will be over, at least one, this thing will be over. Soham na vedmi putranam.
Soham na vedmi putranam. Soham na vedmi putranam.
Kushala kushalatmikam.
Kushala kushalatmikam. Kushala kushalatmikam.
Soham na vedmi putranam. Kushala kushalatmikam.
Soham na vedmi putranam. Kushala kushalatmikam. Soham na vedmi putranam. Kushala kushalatmikam.
Pravrittim svajananam cha.
Pravrittim svajananam cha. Pravrittim svajananam cha.
Dharanam chatra samsthitaha.
Dharanam chatra samsthitaha. Dharanam chatra samsthitaha.
Pravrittim svajananam cha. Dharanam chatra samsthitaha.
Pravrittim svajananam cha. Dharanam chatra samsthitaha. Pravrittim svajananam cha. Dharanam chatra samsthitaha.
Soham na vedmi putranam. Kushala kushalatmikam. Pravrittim svajananam cha. Dharanam chatra samsthitaha.
Soham na vedmi putranam. Kushala kushalatmikam. Pravrittim svajananam cha. Dharanam chatra samsthitaha. Soham na vedmi putranam. Kushala kushalatmikam. Pravrittim svajananam cha. Dharanam chatra samsthitaha.
Human mind works in such a different way. He is now thinking about his family, who's cast him out, who expelled him from his house. Greed of money, but still he is wondering whether kushala akushalatmika, whether they are facing good fortune or ill fortune. They are now happy or not happy. So being here, I don't know, na vedmi. I don't know. Putrana, my children, whether they face good fortune or ill fortune. Pravrittim svajananam cha. What fate has befallen my people. Svajananam cha. My children, Dharanam, my wife. Chhatra samstitaha, what they are enduring now. What fate has befallen on them and what they are enduring, ill fortune or good fortune. He is still worried about his family, though he has been sent out by those very people. Strange are the ways of human beings. Like, when we do that, it is only reflecting, the way we all do it. We cannot sow this thing right of our family, whatever happens, and it's not easy to get out of the mamatvam. That is what they say. To get out of mamatvam is so difficult, and then the ego comes the next. That is two things. First, mamatvam has to go. Everything is mine, all these things. In spite of going through so much, these two characters are still thinking about the past. What has happened? Kim nu tesham gruhe kshemam.
Kim nu tesham gruhe kshemam. Kim nu tesham gruhe kshemam.
Akshemam kim nu sampratam.
Akshemam kim nu sampratam. Akshemam kim nu sampratam.
Kim nu tesham gruhe kshemam akshemam kim nu sampratam.
Kim nu tesham gruhe kshemam akshemam kim nu sampratam. Kim nu tesham gruhe kshemam akshemam kim nu sampratam.
Katham te kim nu sadvritta.
Katham te kim nu sadvritta. Katham te kim nu sadvritta.
Durvritta kim nu me sudhaha.
Durvritta kim nu me sudhaha. Durvritta kim nu me sudhaha.
Katham te kim nu sadvritta. Durvritta kim nu me sudhaha.
Katham te kim nu sadvritta. Durvritta kim nu me sudhaha. Katham te kim nu sadvritta. Durvritta kim nu me sudhaha.
Kim nu tesham gruhe kshemam akshemam kim nu sampratham. Katham te kim nu sadvritta. Durvritta kim nu me sudhaha.
Kim nu tesham gruhe kshemam akshemam kim nu sampratam. Katham te kim nu sadvritta. Durvritta kim nu me sudhaha. Kim nu tesham gruhe kshemam akshemam kim nu sampratam. Katham te kim nu sadvritta. Durvritta kim nu me sudhaha.
Sampratham, at present, griham means home. Whether good fortune or ill fortune are there at home, whether everything is okay there, we don't know. I have come here. I don't know at present what is happening in the house. Good things are happening or ill fortune has befallen them. Katham te kim nu sadvritta, durvritta kim nu me sutaha. My children, how are my children? I don't know how my children are. And sadvritta is their behavior, good or bad. Sadvritta or durvritta. Their behavior is virtuous or bad. I don't know all these things. I am really concerned about that. This is the answer. First introduction Samadhi gives, and let us see how our Raja proceeds next week. Okay, we will recite up to this from whatever we learned today. Okay, from 10. Satatrashramammadrakshid द्विजवर्यस्य मेधसः प्रशान्तश्वापदाकीर्णम् मुनिशिष्यो वसोभिदम् तस्थौ कञ्चित् सकालम् च मुनिना तेन सत्कृतः इतश्चेतश्च विचरन् तस्मिन् मुनिवराश्रमे सोचिन्तयत्तदा तत्र ममत्वाकृष्टचेतनः मत्पूर्वैः पालितं पूर्वं मया हीनं पुरं हि तत् मद्भृत्यैस्तैरसद्वृत्तैः धर्मदः पाल्यते न वा न जाने स प्रधानो मे शूरहस्ती सदा मदः मम वैरिवशं याधः काम्भोगानुपलप्स्यते ये ममानुगदा नित्यं प्रसादधनभोजनैः अनुवृत्तिं ध्रुवं तेभ्य कुर्वन्त्यन्यमहीभृताम् असम्यग्व्ययशीलैस्तैः कुर्वद्भिः सततं व्ययम् सञ्चितसोऽति दुःखेन क्षयं कोशो गमिष्यति एतच्चान्यच्च सततं चिन्तयामास पार्थिवः तत्र विप्राश्रमाभ्यासे वैश्यमेकं ददर्श सः सपृष्टस्तेन कस्त्वं भो हेतुश्चागमनेत्रकः सशोक इव तस्मात् त्वं धुर्मणा इव लक्ष्यसे इत्याकर्ण्यवचस्तस्य भूपतेः प्रणयोदितम् प्रत्युवाच स तं वैश्यः प्रश्रयावणतो नृपम् वैश्योवाच समाधिर्नाम वैश्योऽहमुत्पन्नो धनिनां कुले पुत्रदारैर्निरस्तश्च धनलोभादसाधुभिः विहीनश्च धनैर्दारैः पुत्रैरादाय मे धनम् वनमभ्यागतो दुःखी निरस्तश्चाप्तबन्धुभिः सोऽहं न वेद्मि पुत्राणां कुशलाकुशलात्मिकाम् प्रवृत्तिं स्वजनानां च दाराणां चात्र संस्थितः किं नु तेषां गृहे क्षेममक्षेमं किं नु साम्प्रतम् कथं ते किं नु सद्वृत्ता दुर्वृत्ता किं नु मे सुताः